So let me show you how to change the icon colors of your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So long press an empty space on the home screen and then tap on Wallpaper and Style. And under Wallpaper and Style, you should see Color Palette. So tap on that and then enable Color Palette, which basically mimics, puts the icon colors the same as the wallpaper. Okay, now that applies to the default user interface icons, as you can see here. But if you want your app icons also to change color, then you also apply palette to app icons. Okay, and once you do that, you can see the icon colors now match the wallpaper. And if you hit apply, you can see that take full effect. There you go. So you can see now all my app icons have that color. Alternatively, instead of just enabling apply palette to app icons, you can go to basic colors and choose any other color that you want. Okay, so you can choose a specific color or some color combos. So let me choose a specific solid color like purple and then tap on apply, and that's going to make everything purple, including the app icons. So just give it a moment. There you go. So that is basically how to change app icon colors on your Galaxy Tab A11. Thanks for watching and good luck.